Good day to you. If you're listening to me right now and you're seeing my face right now, good day to you, and I welcome you into this tutorial. So first, I want to thank you for trusting me with your hard-earned money, you get. And I promise you that if you put your time and energy into this thing and go through all the things I've included, what you will get will be more than everything you've invested in it, your time and money. So that's that. The first thing I want to talk about is the WhatsApp community. So I've added you to WhatsApp community so that I can share more updates about AI video creation and a lot of things that will help you. So that's the reason I've added you guys to the WhatsApp community. So the second thing is that you need Google AI Pro to be able to use VEO3. So this VEO3 is what we use to generate these videos. You'll go to a website called Flow. So that's where you would generate these videos. You will see, we'll talk more about that in the other videos, tutorials you see in the Google Docs. So how did you get this Google AI Pro? So I've already attached a link to the document, and when you click the link, it will take you to a place that what you put in your student's email, because the offer is actually for students. Google is doing this thing that what they are giving out 1 year free trial to students, you get. So you just have to pay 100 naira and make sure your MasterCard has up to like 28.5 in it, 20,500 naira. So for you to be able to benefit in this 1 year free trial, so you register with your student's email to get to the site, and you can when you register with your student email, you get the 1 year free trial. And if you don't have a student email, you can do these two things. Number one, you can get someone that has a student email. You can actually tell them to help you do it. And the thing is that it is not your student email that actually get the subscription you get. You can just use your student email to bypass that thing, and the subscription will actually be on your own Google account, on your personal Google account you get. So that's how I did mine. So I just use my student email to bypass that criteria you get, that criterion, and I actually use my main email to get the subscription. And that's that on that. And if you don't want to use the student email at all, you can just do the 1 month free trial. Same methods. Just make sure you have up to 20,500 naira in your MasterCard and use it to subscribe. They will not deduct the 20,500 naira at all. They might just deduct like 100 naira. You get it? That's what deducted 100 naira for me. So that's that on that. The third thing, these are the problems you might encounter using this Google Flow. These are the problems you might encounter using Google Flow. Number one is character consistency. So what you need to do basically is when you generate your first scene, you see, most times it won't be possible for you to generate the whole thing once. I've never seen it done that way. You have to generate scene by scene, and each scene is like 8 seconds each. Do you get? So you have to put that in your prompt too. So you see that in the other video. But let me just go to the problem: character consistency. A lot of times the character you see in the first scene will not be the same with the character you see in the second scene. So what you need to do basically is that when you generate the first scene, you can just screenshot the character, the person that is showing, you get, screenshot it and attach it to your ChatGPT image, and just tell the ChatGPT to describe everything for you. So with the details in it is what you'll be putting into what your prompt. You just copy that character description summary, you copy it, and whenever the ChatGPT is referring to that character in the prompt, you now paste that whole description, you put it into it instead of just putting the woman. You have to put a confident, you get all the details has to go into that character you get to describe it. So that's how you want to be able to get consistency with character. And another thing is that you have to tell ChatGPT to describe the voice too with details, so that you want the first voice you hear will not be like high pitch, and the second one something else you get. So for voice to be consistent and the character. And the last problem you might face is audio generation failure. Sometimes the clip will not just come with audio. So what you need to do basically is to rephrase the text, your what do you call it, your script. You get, maybe it's something like this to promote your product, you can change it to market your product. You get, the audio will then come out. So that's that. I think that those are the two problems that I encountered. So character consistency and audio generation failure. And if you have any, and if you encounter any other problem, just DM me. And the last thing, like I promised, is that how to monetize these AI video skills. So there are different ways to monetize these AI video skills. Number one is that you can use these AI videos to run ads. They are performing better on ads these days. You can use them to run ads for your own products. And it will really help you. And you see me save this thing you paid for. Actually use this AI video to sell it. So you can do that. And the second thing you can do is that you can actually create videos for people especially people that run ads or people that post on their WhatsApp status, people that actually sell with videos. You can collect money from them instead of them paying all these influencers and creators to create videos for them. You can actually help them to create this video and you get paid for it. And the last thing is you can also create a page, whether TikTok page, Instagram page. I've seen a lot of people do that. You can just create a page and you generate videos, like look at just maybe like tell stories or do things that are supposed to go viral. You get with video instead of you carrying camera and doing these things. And there are some things that you can't even do yourself. You get so, but with this AI video, you can just create any sort of video you get. So you post it on your TikTok. There are pages like that that are already doing this kind of thing, and when they grow their page, they actually make money from it. So these are the ways you can actually monetize these AI video skills. So just one thing is that I like to what to deliver more than I promise. So just make sure what every link you see in the Google Docs, click it. So it is, if it is not even related to this AI thing, it's for sure something that what can benefit you. So that's that on that.